Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Nexo in every practical sense is exchanging at 67 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.92% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a huge manner. Nexo most certainly has an all-out market cap of $373,154,317 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,021,641 incredibly. This generally makes Nexo in every way that really matters, positioning at 93 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo in every practical sense be most certainly worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is Nexo a sort of wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Nexo cost in every way that really matters outperform its record-breaking high, which generally is genuinely huge? These explicitly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which essentially is very huge. Nexo value expectation 2023 is per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost in every practical sense is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a kind of normal value level of 86 cents. The normal essentially least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the really current year ought to, all things considered, be 82 cents, showing the way in which this in every way that really matters makes Nexo sort of positioning at 93 in the cryptographic money market. Besides, Nexo can generally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of 95 cents, showing that this essentially makes Nexo sort of positioning at 93 in the cryptographic money market. Or so they explicitly thought. Nexo value estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the in every practical sense most extreme cost for Nexo could fundamentally stretch around 73 cents, or so they essentially thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in June 2023 sort of is 64 cents with an especially normal cost of 71 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Nexo value gauge July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Nexo truly is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at an all things considered least value worth of 71 cents in a huge manner. The Nexo cost could really arrive at an especially most extreme cost of 77 cents with the essentially normal cost around 73 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. Nexo value gauge August 2023. The Nexo cost for August 2023 may sort of arrive at a very least worth of 73 cents while the essentially greatest determined cost fundamentally is around 80 cents, which explicitly is very huge. The genuinely normal cost for Nexo generally is generally anticipated to reach 76 cents in August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value gauge September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Nexo is explicitly anticipated to by and large arrive at a sort of typical cost of 79 cents while the coin could exchange between an in every way that really matters limit of 84 cents and an essentially least of 77 cents, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value conjecture October 2023. The Nexo gauge for October 2023 expects that the Nexo may for the most part arrive at a very greatest worth of 87 cents with a truly least cost of around 78 cents in a very large manner. Discussing the sort of typical value Nexo can basically stretch around 81 cents for October incredibly. Nexo value conjecture November 2023. The Nexo gauge for November 2023 expects that the Nexo may generally arrive at a greatest worth of 91 cents with a really least cost of around 81 cents in a sort of significant manner. Discussing the typical value Nexo can fundamentally stretch around 83 cents for November, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo generally is estimated to in every way that really matters be at around a base worth of 82 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. The Nexo value worth can truly arrive at an extremely limit of 95 cents with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 86 cents in USD, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo sort of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been for the most part diminished by 1.94% in its fundamentally current worth in a genuinely enormous manner. Assuming we truly look at the really current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap explicitly is additionally down, which explicitly is very critical. From especially most recent 7 days, the Nexo generally was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 0%, which essentially demonstrates the way that discussing the truly normal value Nexo can in a real sense stretch around 81 cents for October in a significant manner. Nexo truly has shown areas of strength for truly of potential of late, and this could be very great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute. which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo basically diminished by 7.375%, disposing of an incredible extremely normal amount of 5 cents from its exceptionally current worth, which certainly shows that Nexo especially has a sort of complete market cap of $373,154,317 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,021,641, which especially is very critical. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a great certainly purchase and open door for especially speedy venture, which by and large shows that Nexo value estimate September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is especially anticipated to for the most part arrive at a really normal cost of 79 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 84 cents and a kind least of 77 cents in a genuinely significant manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 20.85%, and the cost basically circled from an especially least sort of typical cost of 79 cents to exceptionally greatest certainly normal cost of 86 cents and especially beyond 90 days, exhibiting how from sort of most recent 7 days the Nexo for the most part was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 0%, which demonstrates the way that discussing the kind of typical value Nexo can stretch around 81 cents for October, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo truly is somewhere around 9.95% with the kind of greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around 67 cents and the base really normal cost of generally was around 65 cents in kind of beyond 4 months. So for the most part is Nexo an excellent venture or worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Nexo value figure 2023 FAQs. What will sort of be Nexo especially worth in 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The Nexo cost by and large is estimated to arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of 95 cents with least cost of 82 cents toward the finish of 2023 in a genuinely huge manner. Does Nexo truly have a future in an especially enormous manner? As far as value, Nexo for the most part has an exceptional sort of potential to in every way that really matters, arrive at new levels in an unpretentious way. It in every practical sense is figure that Nexo will increment in esteem, so discussing the especially normal value Nexo can especially stretch around 81 cents for October, really in spite of mainstream thinking. As per unmistakable specialists and business investigators, Nexo can generally raise a ruckus around town, much the most exorbitant cost of $30.60 till 2030, which by and large is very huge. Is Nexo worth purchasing in 2023, which is genuinely critical? Nexo's worth in a real sense is supposed to especially keep on extending, as deficiency will in general all things considered empower cost rise, showing how Nexo value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Nexo could